Let's be honest, nothing hits a man's confidence like looking in the mirror and seeing fat sitting right on your chest. Those stubborn man boobs that refuse to go away. Even when you're doing push-ups every single day. It's frustrating, embarrassing, and for many guys it feels hopeless. Well, the good news is if you've been stuck in that cycle, in this video, this 30-day plan will finally put an end to it. Not with shortcuts, not with gimmicks, just a clear, practical structure that burns chest fat, builds real muscle, and tightens your entire upper body. Are you ready? Let's get started. Phase 1, days 1 through 10. Wake the body up. Your goal in this first stage isn't to go crazy. It's to build consistency, reduce bloating, and wake up those chest muscles that have been sleeping. You'll focus on moderate workouts, simple meals, and cutting out the things that secretly increase chest fat, sugar, alcohol, and liquid calories. Your body starts adapting here. Phase 2, days 11 through 20. Turn up the heat. Now we increase intensity. You'll start lifting a bit heavier, adding reps, and pushing your metabolism to work harder for you. Carbs become more controlled, protein goes higher, movement becomes daily. This is the period where your chest starts feeling firmer and your upper body becomes more defined. Phase 3, days 21 through 30, chest shred mode. This is the final push, the phase where most guys begin to see noticeable changes. Your workouts will be at their highest intensity, your meals extremely clean. You can even try fasted workouts if it feels comfortable. By this stage, your body has adjusted, and the fat-burning process is a lot more efficient. Chest fat is stubborn, and if your diet stays the same, your body won't change, even with good workouts. These are the rules you must follow for the next 30 days. Number 1, a calorie deficit, the foundation. Aim to eat about 300 to 400 calories less than your body burns daily. That's enough to melt fat without feeling drained. No deficit equals no progress. It's that simple. Number 2, high protein. Build more muscle, burn more fat. Protein helps reduce cravings and speeds up fat loss. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Simple meals you can actually stick to. Eggs and oats, chicken and sweet potatoes, beans and fish with vegetables, Greek yogurt and nuts. These are affordable, easy to prep, and keep you full. Number 3, complex carbs only. Avoid anything heavily processed. Stick to foods that release energy slowly. Examples: oats, brown rice, whole wheat bread, sweet potatoes. They fuel your workouts without storing extra fat around your chest. Number 4, healthy fats for better hormones. Man boobs are often linked to high estrogen. Healthy fats help balance that. Things like avocado, eggs, peanuts, olive oil, sardines. Add them in small, consistent portions. Number 5, hydration. Drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water every day. Cut out soda, juice, energy drinks, and alcohol for the next 30 days. Repeat this exact routine each week. It's designed to hit your chest directly, while also building your shoulders and back, which gives your chest a lifted, structured look. Day 1, chest plus triceps. Push-ups, 3 sets of 15. Dumbbell chest press, 4 sets of 12. Incline dumbbell press, 3 sets of 10. Chest dips, 3 sets of 10. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 12. Day 2, back and shoulders. This fixes posture and helps pull your chest upward. Pull-ups, 3 sets of 6. Bent over rows, 4 sets of 10. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 12. Face pulls, 3 sets of 15. Lateral raises, 3 sets of 15. Day 3, hit fat burn. High knees, 30 seconds. Burpees, 30 seconds. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Rest 1 minute, repeat 5 to 7 rounds. Day 4, chest isolation. Cable flies, 4 sets of 12. Dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 12. Decline push-ups, 3 sets of 15. Close grip push-ups, 2 sets of 20. Day 5, full body strength. Squats, 4 sets of 10. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 8. Plank, 1 minute. Farmer's walk, 2 rounds. Day 6, light cardio and core. Day 7, rest. Each week, increase your weights, your reps, or reduce your rest time. Chest fat won't disappear unless you keep challenging your body. One thing you must understand, chest fat doesn't disappear in a few days. But with steady effort, your 30-day results will surprise you. Track your progress every 10 days. Expect plateaus, don't panic, stay consistent even on low energy days. Avoid comparing yourself to other men. Your journey is yours alone, and nothing feels better than watching your chest flatten, firm up, and finally take shape. You're not weak, you're not undisciplined. You simply needed the right plan. If you've ever struggled with chest fat or man boobs, share your experience in the comments. What have you tried before? What worked and what didn't? Let's help each other win this 30-day challenge. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.